Hello everyone, my name is Nor Unicy and welcome to another episode of Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. In today's episode we're going to talk about T&M rates and rate tables. T&M rates give you the ability to assign a single, complete rate to the resources in your proposal. In other words, a T&M rate table can include indirect rates such as G&A, overhead, and profit fee, along with direct hourly rates to create one combined, fully burdened rate. This can be useful if you don't want your indirect rates to be displayed as separate inputs in the proposal or its reports. To access a T&M rate table, go to the Rates and Tables section of the navigation pane, right-click the T&M rate table folder, then select New T&M rate table. Next, enter a name for the table. How about Nor's Rates? Then select the base rate table and click OK. You can also enter a default profit fee rate here, but that's optional. Okay, so let's suppose that an assembly resource has an hourly rate of $10. The resource then gets the manufacturing labor indirect pool applied to it, which means an overhead rate of 30%, G&A rate of 20%, and a profit fee rate of 10% are all charged to the resource. Instead of showing $3 for the overhead rate, $2 for the G&A rate, and $1 for the profit fee rate, a single T&M rate of $16 is shown. To assign a T&M rate table to a proposal, right-click the proposal in the proposal section of the navigation pane and select Proposal Properties. Then, in the dialog box, go to the Pricing page and select the T&M rate table from the Direct Rate Table drop-down menu. Note that the T&M rate table takes the place of the direct rate table on this page. Now, let's check out this proposal. In the bottom grid of Task View, notice that the indirect cost columns are 0. Also, if we unhide the average rate column, you'll see that the average rate increased to $16 because the indirect rates are now included in the fully burdened rate. As I mentioned earlier, this can be a helpful feature when you don't want indirect rates to be displayed as separate inputs. With the T&M rate, all the rates related to a resource are rolled into one. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a colleague who uses ProPricer. If you have any questions or maybe even some tips and tricks of your own, please post them in our community forum on the ProPricer support portal website. You can also email us directly. Again, my name is Nor Unicy, and as always, thanks for watching.